Hello, this video is for Tuesday, December 15th. I'm going to get you started here. Of course, you should read 10, set that regular reading routine, and you can see on your to-do list today, you need to do the Technology Poems Part 2. I don't have folders for this week because you're going to be working out of this same assignment document for the week. So if you go ahead and open that, you are going to have a document that looks like, I'm going to move it over here, like this. And you've got the answers that you did yesterday because we did Save Our Children from Technology yesterday together. And you read it several times, approached it as a reader, approached it as a writer, talked about the techniques. Now what I want you to do is the same thing, but you're going to pick your own poem to analyze. But you don't just Google search it. I've got several poems linked right here. So right here it says practice poem. Pick a poem from the document attached here. Copy paste it in the first column. Try to analyze it as we did with the class example poem. Note, short poems aren't necessarily easier. There's one in there that's short, but it's kind of meaty, if you know what I mean. So what you'll do is you'll click on this link right here, and a whole new document's going to open up. And if you look at it, come on, I need you to load. There are several poems to choose from. So rather than just picking the first one that you see or the first short one that you see, I want you to kind of scan each of them. Looks like there are 7 to choose from. So one of them is called Tech Fever, and it's this one right here. Technological Error is there. Ode to Technology. This one's just called Technology. Internet Addiction. And then Texting on My Phone is, and then Get Out of Technology is the last one. So what you're going to do is pick one that you want to analyze, and I would maybe scan them and find that one that you're kind of drawn to. Just don't pick any old one because you might pick one that you're not connected to, and it's easier if you can understand one. So that's why I'm giving you choice. And once you pick one, then you're going to take it and you're going to like right click, copy it. I think you can do Control C to copy it. Go back to your homework, which is, let me find one that I'm working from, which is right here. And in this box, you Control V or right click, paste. And then you're going to do just what we did yesterday on your own and be ready to talk about it on Thursday. So you'll read it a few times, just read it through, approach it as a reader. Your job is to figure out, if you had to skinny it down to one sentence, what is this author saying? And then what are the smaller supporting ideas? And then you're going to read it again and approach it as a writer. Notice the techniques that the author uses. Where we're going with this is we're going to notice what other authors are using for techniques, and I want you to try it yourself, just to play around with it. Part 2 is the only part that you have to do, and I'm not assigning anything new tomorrow, so if you need some extra time tomorrow to work on this, you can. Don't forget, I've got office hours tomorrow. If you need any help with other classes, or not other classes, with other assignments, it's Hobbs Help tomorrow from 9 to 11:30 and 1 to 2:30, and I'm happy to help you. All right, good luck, and I hope you enjoy the assignment.